Do you know the Haunting Pack? I love it, but I wanted a version that maintained the strong effect of the classic one. But I wanted to do it with a borrowed deck, and to give it for examination immediately after the performance. And I wanted to perform it with any light condition, with plain sunlight or in a room with a strong spotlight. And to be always ready. I didn't want to be hooked up. I wanted a gimmick that gave me freedom to be performed at any condition, sitting, standing up, outdoor or indoor. I wanted the version with no setup, strolling magic, to repeat it again and again. I wished an angle-proof version for one-to-one condition or surrounded. As a professional, I needed a surefire method with no risk. Did you like it? I have good news. With the same gimmick, you will perform the most fabulous acrobatic matchbox routine you have ever seen.